beam lights paint the skies, all because of you. You make me move. You make me.
Welcome back, guys. Also, welcome to the room tour of this home. So finally, wait is over. Room tour vlog आ चुका है. So you have seen the sneak peek of this room. How this room looks at night. Now I will take you one by one what I have done in this room and where I have kept my all the things and how I have set up the things at my room. So we will have the fun definitely in this room. आप बहुत सारी चीजों को देखोगे. And the best part about this video is that this video is really filled with vibrant vibes and so many colorful stuffs here. So you will definitely love this video. So watch the video till the end and so I am gonna take you to the room exploration. So let's explore this room, guys. So this is how this room starts and just have one look for this room. So वहाँ पीछे जो आपको दिख रहा है that is a door and this side is the washroom area, that is the washroom door. Entry करते ही we have this Gautam Buddha frame and I personally like to hang this frame here because Gautam Buddha is his journey towards the spiritual philosophy and so many he was inspirational to us. So काफ़ी inspired journey थी उनकी. So I wanted to hang this frame. Moving toward the another section of this room, that is this jugaad. Yes, this is the jugaad. So here you are seeing this box. Actually, this is the jugaad box. I had some parcel in this box and I just made it one good box and जहाँ पे I can keep my bag and some diaries and some more extra notepads there. This box I got from M Caffeine. I had my face wash and skincare products over there. So I again use this box as I have kept some my little things inside this box so that I can use whatever I use in some time or frequently, so I can take it from here. And above these two plants that you are looking, lovely people, these are the again baby plants and these are the golden pothos. We can say it devil's ivy also, and we can very easily propagate it in water and soil as well. So water में भी इसको propagate करना easy है. So for one I have propagated in soil and another is in water itself. So this is how it looks like. And यहाँ पे I have kept some candle. And there we have this that dream catcher. And I really liked to have dream catcher, so I ordered one from Flipkart. So now we will move forward to that section, that is the bookshelf and the working table section. So let's move, guys, there and I'll show you कि मैं वहाँ पे क्या क्या रखा है मैंने and how I have organized all the things जो कि not for only this video but I love to organize my things, keep it in organized way and so that I can take whatever I need. So let's go. So this is the view of my desk and I'll show you one by one यहाँ पर क्या क्या है. Here we have this wall paintings over there जो कि वहाँ काफ़ी cute little two birds है and there we have this poster that I have taken out and pasted it over there. Also I have written some of the quotes also. So this is my working area, working desk, study table. Also I have changed it into the bookshelf also. Also I have there is the drawer जो जिसमें I have kept some my glasses and wallet and there is sanitizer also जो हमें बिल्कुल चाहिए, mask, watches and the most जुगाड़ू stuff that is काफ़ी helpful stuff है वो है this scissor and tape that helped me lot for renovating this room. So let's move to the another part. You will be seeing lots of books. Most of the books is at my home जहाँ घर पर है and some of the books that I have read in Google Library book and one of the most beautiful things that I will take you to meet with them. Let's go and you will love to see that. Guys, meet some baby plants. I have kept two there. This is the jade plant, we call it Z, and this is the money plant. This one is the syngonium plant, and that is the bamboo plant. If you guys wanna order such cute baby plants or give someone such cute baby plants to them, जो कि काफी बेहतरीन and काफी beautiful gift होता है for once. So in my opinion, so if you wanna order it, you can check out the Ferns and Petals. I have ordered it from Ferns and Petals, and the best part about the Ferns and Petals is that you can get your stuffs, get your order on the same date that you wanna, on the same exactly date that you want to get your orders, and have this such cute and baby plants to you and for your loved ones. So here we have this curtain section. You guys must be noticing this. So how does it look, guys? Tell me in the comment section. और यहाँ पे आपको मैं फिर से ग्रीनरी में आपको ले चलती हूँ, and let's meet some greenery outside. So here I have chosen this white curtain, and I don't know, I personally like the white theme of this room. आपको white ज़्यादा white चीज़ें ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रही होंगी. And again there we have this plant in this room, and this plant is Mexican mint plant that I have propagated. Remember in the last video the stem was out from that plant, so I have propagated it in this pot and kept it to this place, जो कि room को फिर से और भी beautiful बना रहा है. And this plant makes people happy. I guess मुझे तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही happy करता है. So many plants in this room. Now moving forward to the another section of this room, जो कि काफी transformation वाली look दे रही है. So this is the bedside area of my room, and you can look at this, all the creativity, और आप जो भी कह दो, on the wall. मैंने क्या क्या किया है यहाँ पर, and this looks so beautiful, guys. आप बताना आपको कैसा लगा. So here is my bed and a quilt over there, and I will take you यहाँ पर. This is the poster जो मुझे अच्छा लगा, so I have pasted it here, and this is the some love, laugh, leave messages, and this is the explore view. So here I have posted some posters, and यहाँ पर जो कि काफ़ी good messages and काफ़ी vibrant vibes there, you know. So here we all have to find joy in the journey, never give up ever, enjoy the little things. And here I have these frames जो मैंने मम्मा पापा मेमोरीज माई फैमिलीज, एंड आई हैव लाइक आप देख ही लो कुछ फ्रेम्स है जो आई हैव हैंग्ड इट ओवर देयर, और फिर से लाइट से डेकोर कर रखा है. सो एंड दिस इज माई क्लोजेट. So here I have kept my all the clothes and the things that I don't use every day, like कुछ चीज़ें अंदर डाल दी है, so that we can have more spaces in this room, and some skincare products and कुछ books भी अंदर रखा है. So I have some all the things inside this cupboard, so that this room looks good and spacious, and इतने बड़े cupboard है, so we should utilize this, right? So I have kept all the things inside this जो मुझे daily use में नहीं होता है, and my clothes is also in another section, so that is too big section, so काफी बड़ा and huge spacious cupboard है, so that is enough for me. यहाँ पर हमारा ये vlog खत्म होता है, जो कि काफी exciting था मेरे लिए, and I wanted to show you, to share with you that how your girl is transforming this room. मुझे पक्का से बताना कि did you like the vibes of this room or not? I have really filled it with natural vibes, colorful vibes, and काफी vibrant vibes भी है. So I am really loving with this room. Are you? So let me know in the comment box, and also don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. If you have liked it, give a thumbs up, big thumbs up, and share it with your friends. So we will meet in the next video very soon, hopefully, and bye bye. Take care of yourself. Much love. Good health to you all. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Also, if you want to watch my home tour videos, I have given the link in this description box. don't forget to watch that video also, how I have set up my room there, so home there, so home tour भी आप देख ही लेना अगर आपने मिस कर गए हो तो. And this is my room setup. Bye.